Welcome to Creative Connection. Today we made another Arduino project. This project is a cleaning car. So this car cleans the floor automatically. This is just an obstacle avoiding car. I have put a cloth at the bottom of it for it to clean up the floor. So it's just a normal thing. We have added solar panels, 3.7 volt solar panels. We have added lithium batteries. At this time we have added a cleaner body with some wires that come out, and this is just like a switch, so when you can pop it and then get it out. So I'm going to be putting the wires in, closing the top. I'm going to be turning on the car, and I'm going to be restarting the program, which means the car will start to run. So I've turned on the car. So this is how the car works, guys. I'm going to be turning off the car. Now I've come back to the position where I've left the car. I've been letting the car run around in my room for some time now. So I'm going to be showing you how much dust it has collected. So I'm going to be showing you the dust under the car now. So it has collected a lot of dust. So that is... So I'm just going to clear off everything. You can see that it has been running out with a lot of dust. So that's it, guys. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Bye guys.